The mysterious bulge growing out on one side of this loaf should have been my first sign something was going to be seriously wrong with this loaf, but I still had high hopes. All right, y'all, so one of my subscribers asked me to go check out Coach Carnivore Cam's YouTube channel because he has some really good recipes, and so I did. And let me tell y'all, it was a beautiful thing over there. Before y'all get in an uproar, I am referring to his bread. All right, y'all, all jokes aside, she was interested in his bread recipe. His loaf of bread looks beautiful. It is a carnivore bread, and it is just basic ingredients. It looks wonderful, but she didn't want to waste the ingredients, the money on the ingredients, if it didn't turn out good. So that's what I'm here for. I'm going to test it out for y'all. So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to make a quick loaf of this bread, and we're going to do it right now. So this is what it is. Really, really simple. So this thing's going to come together quick, you guys. Really, really easy ingredients. We got some cottage cheese. We got some butter. And we got 4 eggs. Apparently you just blend all this stuff up, throw it in a bread loaf pan, and it comes out wonderful. It absolutely looked beautiful, I know that. All right, so 4 eggs it is. We're gonna blend this up really quick. I wanna make sure there's no lumps of cottage cheese. We want smooth sailing right here. It looks pretty smooth, but I'm going to give it another go around. 2 baking sodas. And 1 baking powder. Okay, so now we are going to put our egg white powder in, and that is the last ingredient, is the egg white powder. We are not trying to get this to whip to stiff peaks, of course. We just want to get it incorporated. So, just going to scrape this down and give it another go. Okay, can you guys see that? Smooth, that's what it is. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Okay, so now we are going to pour it into our bread loaf with my parchment paper that I have reused a zillion times. So, don't throw your parchment paper away. We don't want to be wasteful. We can reuse it forever until we can't anymore. And then we are going to throw this in a preheated oven at 392 degrees. And it must be a preheated oven. So 392 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool 10 minutes in the pan. And then take it out and let it cool another 10 to 20 minutes. I'm excited to see how it turns out. That's what we got. Okay, let's do it. Alexa, set an alarm for 35 minutes.
Alarm set for 35 minutes from now.
She's glitching out. All right, y'all, we are going to come back in 35 minutes and see if my loaf looks as beautiful as Coach Cam's. All right, y'all, there is our bread. It has been cooling for about 30 minutes altogether. I do not know what is up with this little wackadoodle piece on the end. You know how when you make the normal egg white bread, it goes a little crazy? I just feel like the egg white powder did not want to be held back by the cottage cheese. It said, let me out. But anyways, we're going to cut it open and test it taste it and see what it's like. I have high hopes. I don't care what it looks like. We're just gonna look at this part because that looks beautiful. Let's cut it open and see what it's like. Kind of sounds squeaky. That's not a good sign. If it sounds squeaky, I hope it does not suck the soul out of my body like that other egg white bread. Oh, I hope the cottage cheese helped. It looks good. Look at that. Looks pretty. Looks pretty. So let's see. I'm going to taste it without anything. It kind of smells weird. I don't know why it smells weird. I don't think I like it. I think it's too much baking powder and baking soda. Did I misread them? Sorry. I'm gonna go look. Because I wrote it down. I feel like maybe I misread it. Okay. Oh, actually, he doesn't have the ingredients spelled out. It's in his video. Let's turn it up. Maybe his short will say. Ooh, that scared me. I had it up too loud.
This is proper healthy garlic bread. Maybe
oh no, it's this one.
Believe it or not, this is not real
His
bread.
looked beautiful.
It has zero flour, grains, gluten, or sliced cleanly and have that proper bread-like texture. Clean version only, no additives, no fillers, just pure egg white powder. I'll link what I use in the description. 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. These are your raising agents. They're what gives the...
I didn't mishear it, so I think it's too much. I don't know. It makes it smell weird. I don't know why it smells like a perm to me. It smells like a perm. I don't know. It smells weird. I won't be making that again. I might make it without all that stuff, all that baking soda. It looks pretty, but it don't taste pretty. I know that. But at least I got some bacon to eat. I'm not going to eat that though. That's going to go in the trash. I don't like it. Mm-mm. I do not like it. I gotta eat bacon to get that taste out of my mouth. Mm-mm. Some of you might like it. Some of you, everybody has different tastes. Something about it. I like egg white bread, you guys. I do. I like egg white bread that I make with the butter and the heavy cream powder and the arrowroot fiber and all that stuff that we put in it. But I think it has to be the excessive baking soda in that one loaf of bread. 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in one loaf did something. It smells horrible. Like, I don't know why I keep smelling it. I should not do that. Okay. That's a no-go for me. I will not be remaking it. So, to my subscriber who wanted me to try it out because you didn't want to waste your ingredients if it did not work, there's your answer. Did not work for me. May work for you, but if your mileage may vary. So if anybody else wants me to try out somebody's recipe to see how it works for me before you waste your ingredients and try it out, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see what I can do. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, and thank you because I hit 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye. Coach Carnivore Coach Carnivore Cams. Coach Carnivore